There is so much backlash over that AI-generated actress, Tilly, and I find it hilarious because nobody but me seems to be annoyed with my AI roommate.
Mad Sal, did you eat the last of my pixel puffs? They're all
No,
gone.
I'm a human. I don't eat pixels.
Okay, well, someone's been crunching on my data.
Maybe you should ask your boyfriend Grok. You always seem to be talking to him.
Grok's been DMing half the internet behind my back.
I pay her rent. There's this AI actress that is in the news. Her name is Tilly Norwood. She has an Instagram account. She's posting like an actress would, but using AI as that angle.
My genes are binary.
I'm finding it so funny that everybody is so up in arms about this AI actress because it's not going to happen. AI actresses are not going to take over A-list celebrities. So I dug a little deeper. I don't know how true it is that this AI is trying to get an agent and become a Hollywood actress. One day, she posts this video that is essentially a big announcement of some series that all of these people have been working on, and the series is going to star Tilly Norwood. It is a high-quality, AI-generated trailer for a new series starring Tilly Norwood. So if you look at the caption, she tags this account, Particle 6 Productions. Particle 6 Productions is an AI production company. So what I can infer happened is some news source or journalist reached out to this production company saying they wanted to ask them a bit about Tilly, the AI actress. This became a news story, and then it spiraled into something else. This production company is loving it because this production company is getting press from it. So if they're getting all this press from Tilly, guess who's going to become their new spokesperson? Tilly Norwood, their AI created girl. This was probably just a side project. Somebody thought like, oh, wouldn't it be cool if we could create our own cast of characters to use in our movies or whatever they're making. They're creating a library for themselves if they continue to make AI generated content. This is almost like a new form of animation. The outrage is so silly to me because we're acting like they're going to replace actual humans. I highly doubt that AI actors will star in things. Something I will say it would be really good for is background actors. In these big productions, we are just focused on the main characters. So if I want to throw a party in my apartment, you're still only looking at me because I'm the main character. Maybe now you're looking at these AI people because I told you about them, but it doesn't really matter that much. They're hard to control. They're not always the best actors. There's so much going on set. Maybe AI will replace background actors. I wouldn't be mad at that. So I guess my take on it is this outrage has been created by something that isn't actually happening. AI is going to replace jobs, and maybe background actors is one of those jobs. But like, does Keke Palmer have anything to worry about? No. They'll just hire her because she's the draw and she's funny. But the person who is working at the gas station that we see in the background of a scene just to make it look like it's not a movie set? Yeah, let's AI generate some man there. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? The world changes. So that's my take on Tilly. Everyone's mad over nothing. The future of AI in media is not Tilly Norwood, but it could be this production company. And maybe it's my roommate.